welcome to Happy Conscious Living. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below this video and to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new future video uploads. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to seed and juice a pomegranate. So I just came back from Israel and I completely fell in love with this fruit. It has so many health benefits, and I actually provided a link in the description box below this video where you will be able to read about all the health benefits of this superfood. So whenever you're ready, let's get started.
So before we can actually juice the pomegranate, we need to seed it. So we will start by cutting it open from the top, and you can simply lift the top like so. As you can see, this pomegranate is divided by 5 chambers. So what we want to do is we simply follow each division with a knife. Simply make small incisions on the side of each chamber. This will make it a lot easier to crack the pomegranate open. The white stuff between the seeds is called the membrane. I wouldn't recommend eating it, it's very tart and bitter. So let's go ahead and remove the seeds from its shell. When the pomegranate is ripe enough, the seeds should come out pretty easily. Now that we have completed the seeding, it's time to start juicing. Get your bowl or saucepan ready and place a strainer on top of it. Now get a few seeds and it's time to squeeze the juice out of them. You can use 1 hand or 2 hands, whatever works best for you. Just be careful because the juice does sting. And now simply repeat the process until you have enough juice. And voila! This is how you make your own homemade, hand-pressed, freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. I needed 2 pomegranates to fill 1 glass of pomegranate juice, and I really love how this hand-pressed pomegranate juice is not tart or bitter because we're leaving the seeds out. And if you don't want to waste the seeds because they're so full of nutrition, I have a recipe for a facial mask which I will leave in the description box below.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, if it was helpful for you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you haven't done so already, go over to happyconsciousliving.com and subscribe to our Positivity Lifestyle magazine for free. If you have any questions about this video, do leave a comment in the comment section down below. And also I would love to hear from you if you have any suggestions for the next video, because I would love to provide the content that you would like to see on this channel. I wish you an amazing day with loads of smiles and lots of laughter. And remember, if you want to be happy, stay positive.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe or comment if you have any questions. We invite you to take a look at happyconsciousliving.com to start reading our free monthly inspirational positivity lifestyle magazine. To access our previous releases, make sure to subscribe for free to our magazine today. Happy Conscious Living. Stay positive. Be happy.
So for those of you that are interested in our magazine, I highly recommend you to watch this entire video because I have a little surprise at the end. Hello?
My fair lady.
Oh, hi.
Oh, you didn't know it was me, did you?
No, I was like, I'm shooting a video right now.
Oh, I beg your pardon.
No, what's up?
No, I just was having I got it at a USB port thing. I got it for a tenner, I hope it does the job.
Ah, very good, very good.
And I was just going to tell you that I have to do something now for an hour or so, and then I'll be heading over your way.
Okay, cool.
I'll let you know in an hour and a half, I'll call you.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm grand. Shooting the video now.
Okay. See you later, kid.
All right, see ya. Bye-bye.